I'm Richard Robledo. I work at University of Illinois Hospital Health and Sciences as the manager for the data management team. UI Health is a hospital in the heart of Chicago. We used to use an older application that really just did a backup and restore process. So we needed to find a new strategy, right? When we looked at Veeam, the differences between the old strategy and the new strategy is data resilience. UI Health chose Veeam because we had a project where we needed to provide a backup and recovery instance of a physical machine. And we chose Veeam as our first proof of concept. So we ended up doing a successful test. It's meeting our requirements. We chose Veeam to move on with our main backup platform to replace our old one. We're able to see what we were doing right and where we needed to improve. We recently started with the Veeam Cyber Secure platform. It took all of those industry best practices and put them into a format that we can address each bullet point to put those best practices into play. We are currently going through our quarterly assessments as part of the Veeam Cyber Secure program, and this will help us to ensure our data resilience. We're expanding our covert footprint for monitoring and assessing on-prem security threats within the Veeam data platform. And we're also working with covert support to create our security response team for UI Health. If we ever have a question on architecture, I can always reach out to support to ask them a question.